Maraming salamat po. Kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko ito may experience. So, thank you! Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako guys. Oh my god. Hi Bob!
This is my family.
Hi! Hi! Hello! Oh, ball! Ju! Oh, where's the ball? Kick the ball! Oh. Sarap maglaro dito. Exercise with you. Exercise. Ju, play with the ball. No dirty. Huh?
Dirty?
Naka-white pa naman siya.
Stressful yung pag-alis namin. Iyak na iyak si Ju. Oh my gosh. Ay, nako. Tapos pag baba namin, dumating na si nanay. Kaya, ayun, hindi ko alam paano. Naano talaga ako. Yeah, heartbroken. Oo naman, baby ko. Iba talaga yung iyak niya. Yung iyak niya, grabe. Parang ano, oo, ibang klase. Natutulog kasi yun, tapos nagising si ate kasama ko. Jay. Ayan. Tapos birthday pala ni Say ngayon. Paalala mo sa akin, batiin ko siya ha. Nakita ko sa Facebook. And then, kanina na-upload ko din yung may favorites ko. So, if you wanna check it out, lalagay link sa description box. May utang pa akong 2 vlog sa inyo. Wala pa akong tulog. And, hindi mo ako natutulog. Kaya nga siguro sandali lang kami. Tingnan natin. Kasi hindi pa naman ako inaantok. Tingnan natin. Kasi kinakabahan ako. As usual. On my lips pala is yung Matme. Asa na nga ba siya? Dala ko ba? Ito. Lagi na lang akong ganito. Ayun. Old Hollywood na Matme. Ayan, ang ganda. Sabi ko kasi kanina dahil mong problema ko. Sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko? Sabi ko. Parang gusto ko mag-dark lipstick. Hindi pa ako nagda-dark lipstick, diba? Ooh, may pool. Yes! Sipa to. Oh my gosh. Nakakaba. Ang daming tao. Are you having fun? Alam ko sleepy ka na. Sleepy? Sleepy. Abby! Ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita. Against the light kami. Ikaw. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ano? Hindi ako masyado nakapag-prepare. We. Parang kilala ko siya. Parang kilala ko siya. Mamaya kakausapin ko siya. Guys! One Proud Pinay, diba? One Proud Pinay! Naalala mo ba? Nag-request ako sa'yo ng video.
Ginawa ko naman, diba?
Grabe, hindi ko na-expect. Hindi ko na-expect. Ang daming pieces dito na pinapanood ko. Tapos,
Pwede mag-vlog.
I think dito na lang ako dadaan. Ay! Yung bag ko. Okay lang, sige. Hi! Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako, guys. Oh my God. Hi, Bob!
Introduce yourselves. Oh, parang cheerleading. Ano naman yan?
Hello, everybody. My name is Roseanne, and I'm a YouTuber in Singapore. I do beauty and travel videos, and I'm also a makeup artist. I teach makeup classes in Singapore too. Hi, guys. I'm nervous. Oh my God. This is my first time. I never thought. Oh my gosh. Ang alam ko lang kasi nag-video ako sa house. And then, oh my gosh. You all know me. I'm a YouTuber. I'm also a social media influencer and that's all.
Hi guys, I'm Bob. We introduced ourselves earlier.
Hi everyone, I'm Christine. I go by the name Creation TV on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber and blogger.
So you don't know me, but I'm Tina. I also make videos on YouTube. It's called Ang Tikay Ko. Maybe some of you have heard it. I went inactive a couple of years ago because I was working in Ikulaga as a talent. So now I've been a professional makeup artist for 6 years now. But then now I'm doing plus size modeling and acting results on TV. Thank you. Yeah.
What is the most fulfilling thing about being a social media influencer?
And like I mentioned before, if it wasn't from all of you guys helping, we would never be able to build those 2 schools, and now we're educating over 200 students. And I don't want to stop there. So I love that even though we're technically strangers around the world, actually we can actually come together and make a difference. And that to me still blows me away.
Is building relationships, be it in real life or online. And meeting you, all of you, oh my God. Oh my God. Natutuwa talaga ako, promise. Kasi I never thought, I just wanted to make videos. And now, I'm seeing all of you. This is like, so surreal.
I agree with everybody. I think being the last one to say something is not the best because everybody just says everything you want to say. Basically, yes, I think when people email you and when people I answer like emails and comments and stuff. And also I do requests. If someone requests a video, then I do take it into consideration and try and do that video too.
Just a simple reply to their comments means a lot to them. So for me, that's really important. At least every day, at least 1 or at least 10 comments, I reply to them. And I know hindi lahat nasasagot ko, but I try my best to reply to everyone. Just to show my appreciation for your love, for your support, and all of my videos and my posts, even my posts in Instagram.
Honestly, when someone gives you negativity, this is the most frequent question I get asked. How do you deal with it? You don't have to deal with it. When someone gives you a poisonous snake, do you want it? No! You don't have to take it. Someone gives you judgment, you don't have to take it. And honestly, you can't control what people say or feel, but you can control your attitude. Have more, hold on. Yeah, you gotta let go. You gotta stop caring what other people think. And I feel like sometimes the haters on YouTube, they are just typing without the intention of listening. So you can actually explain a whole essay, and it won't stop. So just to save yourself, just don't worry about it. Don't worry about what every single person is saying about you. And like I said, me, I get tons and tons of like haters on YouTube. And if anything, I have to thank them, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't. I mean, there's some days where I definitely don't feel as great about myself, but compared to back then, I feel so much more comfortable in my own skin. So you can really use it to your advantage. You can let something destroy and defeat you, or you can let it build you and make you grow.
Exactly what Bob said. Actually, ako kasi nabiyan ako daw si Janet. Sino ba yun?
Janet Napoles.
That's usually what they tell me, but you know what? That's the best way to deal with it is not to be like all. Exactly what Bob said. And you cannot control what people will say to you, but you can control how you will feel about it. And much better if you divert your attention to people who really matters, to those people who are giving positive feedback, positive comments about you. Sila talagang dapat magtuunan ng pansin. And I think that's what, yun yung number one reason why I know some of you are thinking of making a channel on YouTube, but the number one thing that's stopping you is you're afraid of getting hate comments. And the best way to deal with it is just don't mind them. Just do you.
You dislike my video. And then I realized that everybody gets dislikes. It's not like, oh, you have like 100% perfect video. It's not like that.
And don't delete negative comments. On my YouTube videos, always. I welcome constructive criticisms, and but whenever I read a negative comment, just the beginning of the sentence, if it's a bad comment, I stop reading. And then I move on with another one. It's nonsense if I delete comments. Kasi it will, para lang yung mushroom. It will just pop out anywhere. I have rejected some sponsorships because I do not believe in their products. So for me, it's really important that you actually use the product. And even if I have a deadline, I ask for a grace period with a brand na you have to let me mas marami pang days, mas time, just to test the product. Kasi if not, then you will lie to your viewers. And yun yung pinaka-importante, yung viewers. If it weren't for you, my channel won't grow and I won't have sponsorships. Diba? So, laging utmost importance talaga to viewers.
Enjoy it and you're passionate and you just really like doing videos. So saying that, sponsorships are just like, an addition to your career. And you should be very truthful and honest to your viewers. So if, for example, a lot of like slimming brands, I don't know why they come to me, like raw girl, there's a lot of skinny girls they don't work out of them. But they'll come to me and they want to do treatments and zap my fat and that kind of thing. And I just don't believe in that. Like if you want to lose weight, you do it healthy, exercise, diet, that's what I believe in. So I'm not going to take any of that. Or like, for example, flying to Korea to do surgery. I'm not into that. Like I don't do surgery on myself. So you can do whatever.
Tapos na guys, oh my gosh. Ewan ko, okay ba? Kinakabahan ako. Alam mo yung ang dami. Actually, hindi ko naman kasi ini-expect na gano'n mag-YouTube. And alam niyo naman ako, kaya nga ako nag-YouTube na kasi didn't fear for speaking in front of people. Speaking in front of camera, wala akong problema. But in front of people, oh my gosh, ibang usapan yun. Anyway, I'm happy it's over. I conquered my fear. Naawa ko kay Jaya kasi mainit yung venue. Yung pool nila dito. Nalala mo yung sa Tagaytay? Di ba ganito yung pool nila, no? Sabi ni Jaya, gusto daw niya ganito yung pool. Okay, bukas na. Paalala mo. Gusto sabihin natin sa mga trabahador natin.
Nagkita na din tayo.
Nagkita na tayo kasi hindi tayo nag-usap. Kasi sige, gusto ko agad. Alam niyo, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Sumunod lang ako dito sa mga to. Si Chris, si Jet. So, si Abby. Ay, oo nga, gallery. Hi! Green belt? Yes. Oh, green belt daw.
Sir, kasama namin.
Ang hirap talagang magmaganda. Ang sakit na ng paa ko.
Beauty
Parang
is
magpapaltos yung paa ko dito. Ano na?
Beauty is pain.
Beauty is pain daw.
Baka lang mag-
And nag-vlog talaga ako sa gitna ng kalsada. Ayun na. Malapit na tayo sa Hot Flops. I'm dying. Patay na yung mga paa ko, guys.
Dali. Yay! Oh, pili ka. Hindi ko na yan. Push me yan. Go.
Itong cute din ito. Magkano to?
1,499.
Cute niyan.
Go. Kita shoes to.
Paltos na to. Uy, sabi ko na nga ba.
May patingin.
Ayun, no.
Ay, ouch. Kaya aloe vera lang tayong dala.
Para na may continuation.
Chikahan. Hi!
Oh my God.
Ayan, bigla sila tumahimik. Kaya ayoko maglabas ang vlogging camera. Ang ganda kanila kwentuhan namin. Naging bait-baitan tuloy sila. Kaya nagkukwentuhan kami tungkol sa Game of Thrones. Ano suso ka na ba? Ito latest. Ay, latest. Uy, meron pala ngayon pag-uwi ko. Di ba? May bubungan sa akin. May bagong episode ng Game of Thrones. Kanina mo pa pinagdidiskitahan niya yung pool. Gusto mo talaga mag-swim?
Lips ko.
Yung lips ko lagi na lang pinapansin ni Jaya. Masagwa na ba talaga yung lips ko? Nagbe-bleed kasi siya. Tapos nagta-transfer dun sa teeth. Tapos ayun, nag-vlog si Aisha.
Sumila na.
Sige na.
Ka na talaga.
Yung outfit mo naman, Aisha, pang swimming talaga. Oh. Kala ko nga pupuntang Hawaii.
Pwede mo naman tanggalin yung ano. Pag-anis mo lahat.
Sayo ka muna, Pearly Chef.
Pick tayo later na after.
Ay, oo nga eh. Sayang. Sana maganda yung lahat tayo.
Sila say later. Lalabas sila say.
Lahat kami pawis na pawis. As in, para kaming mga Korean.
Aalis na sila sa
Louis, skin. Ano sila? Magpapahalang na ako, guys. Parang madi-dehydrate.
Okay pa. Pag-uwi ang bahay.
Oo nga, gusto ko makita kung sino yung pinaka-fresh dito. Sino kayo? Ito, mukhang ito mananalo, pinaka-fresh. Fresh.
Ilang hours yan?
Hindi na ako fresh friend.
Ang ganda ng foundation mo. Parang fresh na fresh ka pa din.
Alam mo to, ginagamit mo rin. Ginagamit mo rin. Revlon Color Stay.
Oh, talaga?
Sa init eh.
Sayang, infallible ko namin. Ayun.
Sige.
Gotta go. I'm back home. Guys, my gosh. Today was really something. Wow, inisera na ako. Hindi, seryoso. Grabe. It was overwhelming. Nerve-wracking. Nerve-wracking actually. Kasi, alam niyo, hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko ulit yun. Nakakaloka. Yun ang weakness ko eh. Yung nagsasalita sa harap ng maraming tao. And yung kanina, talagang na-challenge talaga. It was, grabe. Anyway, but it was fun. Nag-enjoy ako. Sa lahat ng mga nagpa-picture, ang dami kong na-exercise yung pisngi ko kanina. Ang dami nagpa-picture sa akin. Siguro mahigit 30 yun. Hinihintay ko yung mga tag niya sa akin, guys. Ha? I-tag niyo ako. Thank you. It was really nice meeting you. Hindi ko na maalala lahat ng names niyo. Ang naalala ko lang si DJ, si Michelle, si Jennifer, si Eliza, hi, si actually nakalimutan ko na yung ibang pangalan niyo, pero thank you so much sa pag-approach sa akin, sa pagpapapicture. It was really nice na nakilala ko kayo. Grabe. And so anyway, thank you ulit ha. Thank you guys ha. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi naman ako may invite sa mga ganun-ganun. Kaya, laking pasasalamat ko talaga sa inyo. Alright, burahin na natin tong makeup na to. Gusto ko na matulog. Tulog na si Drew. Gusto ko na magpahinga. Wala pa akong tulog, guys. Grabe. Ibang klase talaga. Ibang level yung na-experience ko today. And siguro if given the chance na ulitin, why not? Kanina sabi ko ayoko na, pero tingnan natin. Nakaka-overwhelm lang talaga. Alam niyo ba, kanina, di ba, katabi ko si Bobs. Hindi ko ina-expect na magkasama kami ni Bobs doon sa panel. Although alam kong nandun siya. Pero hindi ko alam na magiging magkatabi kami. Grabe talaga, nakaka-overwhelm. Parang every time na nagtatouch yung skin namin, kasi magkatabi kami, every time na, nagtatouch yung skin namin, naaalala ko yung mga times na pinapanood ko siya, nung nanganak siya, nung kauna-unahang video na napanood ko sa kanya, yung nag-try on siya ng mga damit. Talagang sabi ko, wow, dreams do come true talaga. Pangarap ko yun, makilala ko yung mga ganong, mga foreign YouTubers. And, oh my gosh, sayang nga kasi hindi ko siya masyadong, kanina kasi talagang na-overwhelm ako na, talagang speechless ako na nandun ako sa ang dami ko sanang gustong sabihin. Pinractice ko pa yung mga questions, yung mga I did not expect. Talagang pag nandun ka na sa kahit na anong practice mo, pag nandun ka na sa harap, tapos nakikita mo yung mga face nila na nakatingin sa'yo, na hinihintay yung pagsalita mo, kung ano yung mga susunod mong sasabihin, talagang, oh my gosh, hindi ko pa nga nare-review yung, hindi ko pa napapanood yung kuha ni Jaya. Ayun, maliban pala sa mga nagpa-picture sa akin. Jaya, if you're watching this, thank you so much, anak. Thank you for being so patient. Kahit puyat yan si Jaya, kasi nga late na, dahil nga si Ju ayaw matulog kagabi. Ayun. Thank you, anak. Napaka-supportive mo. Napaka-pasensyosa mo. Ayun. Kaya na-overwhelm ako talaga. Pasensya na kayong haba ng speech ko, ha. Anyway, sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog today. And, na-enjoy ko yung araw ngayon. It was something kakaiba. Hindi ko makakalimutan tong araw na to. Kasi pinagtulungan nila ako. Pinag-English nila ako doon. Hindi. Joke lang. Alright, magpapaalam ako ng maaga. At ako'y matutulog na, guys. I need to rest. Thank you. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys! Maraming salamat po. Kung di dahil sa inyo, hindi ko ito may experience. So, thank you! Bye! Watch me,